it's Shea Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I take this hair right here and I turn it into a nice beautiful twist. So currently my hair, I just put it up in this bun, well, like a puff, because my hair did not last as long as I thought it would. And of course I have this headband here because my sides are still thin from postpartum. And I just want to point out that I have wet deodorant under my arm so it is not sweat. I just took a shower. Hair loss, it is growing back, fortunately, and I'm very happy about that because that was just, it took a hit on me, my hair coming out and just falling out in the shower every time I wash my hair. But I'm very thankful that it is growing back. So now I can do more fun styles than the styles that I have been doing. I want to do more styles that have a little bit more detail to them, like twist on the side or braids, my hair going up, but I am not going to be doing that if my hair is very thin on the side. So hopefully I can start doing that soon. My hair is definitely growing back and I'm really happy about that. So anyways, I am going to show you how I just take this hair. As you can see, the style just didn't last as long as I wanted it to. I did do the curl formers last week, so about 4 days ago, and now my hair, it looks like this. So I do not want to wash my hair yet, but I definitely need to do something with this hair. So I'm just going to twist it. I'm going to be using my Mr. bottle. I just have some water and a little bit of almond oil in here, and then I'm going to be taking my neem oil, and I do have a video if you'd like to check it out how I made it. Just click the iCard above, and then I'm going to be using my almonds and avocado defining cream gel. It's by Design Essentials. Design Essentials is another brand that I really do like just because their products work very well in my hair and their ingredients aren't bad. So I will be using those 3 products just to kind of refreshen my hair because, like I said, I am not going to wash my hair yet. I'm going to divide my hair into quadrants as I always do, and then I'm pretty much just going to twist it from there. I am using this water. It is warm just because warm water, it just penetrates into the hair shaft a lot better for me versus cold water. So I have my favorite rat tail comb here, and I'm just gonna mist my hair with a little bit of water because that way when I do part my hair with the rat tail comb, it's a lot easier. Now it doesn't really matter just yet how I part my hair in the front because a lot of times when I do come up to the front I have to section it again anyway, but I'm just going to part my hair. The bobby pin. A couple bobby pins. So I just like to section my hair into 4s. I know a lot of you already know that just because it just helps me stay on track and nice and organized, and I can really account for my hair versus taking it all at once. This just really is like a nice blueprint for me. I just have 3 parts right here, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb and then I'm just gonna start making rows in the back. And the lens decided it wanted to be out of focus for this part, but that's okay. I show you how I part my hair in the back once more because I know many of you do enjoy me showing you how to do my hair, especially in the back. And I also wanted to point out that I have been doing my hair over 2 decades, so I have had a lot of practice in doing my hair. So don't get discouraged if your style doesn't come out right or the technique doesn't work, because practice will help you when doing this style. You'll learn how to do your hair and what works for your hair, what products work for your hair, and different techniques that work well for you. So just keep going. After I have parted a row, I'm going to start making columns for the twist, and I'm doing the same thing. So instead of parting horizontally, I'm going to part vertically, and then I'm going to make sure that I have a good amount of hair for the twist. And once I'm satisfied with the amount of hair in this section, I'm just going to mist it with my water and oil mixture, and after that I'm just going to apply about a dime size of the neem oil in my hair and make sure that it's worked in well. I want to make sure that I'm sealing in the moisture in my hair, and this neem oil definitely definitely does it. And then I'm going to apply the Design Essential Cream Gel. I really like this mixture. My hair doesn't feel weighed down because I'm applying a little bit of each product. So I already have product in my hair from when I did the curl former, so I don't want to add too much product, but I want to have enough to where my hair, it feels nice and moisturized and it remains that way. So I'm going to smooth my hair out with a rat tail comb. From here, I'm going to start the 2-strand twist. So all I'm going to do is divide the section of hair into 2. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you definitely want it to be pretty close to even as possible. And then you're going to take the subsection of hair and wrap it around the other and continue going this way all the way down the length of your hair to where you can twirl the ends with your finger. I'm going to show you my process a few more times, and I know what I'm saying is not actually matching up with what you're seeing, but I want to make sure that I am getting my point across as far as how to make sure that you have those juicy twists. So you want to make sure that your hair is very moisturized, and not only moisturized, but you want to keep that moisture in. You want to retain that moisture. So that's why I do use a water and oil mixture. You don't have to add oil to your water, but just as long as you're using warm water, that will definitely help to get your hair nice and moisturized. And then I use an oil just to help seal that moisture in my hair, because it's not enough just to moisturize your hair. You want to keep that moisture in. You want to retain that moisture, and that's where my neem oil comes in. And then I'm going to add the cream gel just because I want some holds. As I already said, I will be unraveling these twists, so when the time comes for me to have my twist out, I really want to be able to wear it for at least a few days before I have to wash my hair. I hope my process makes sense. I know for a lot of naturals, they do use this method as well, but you don't have to use its exact method. I know for me, using the LOC method where I use a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and then a cream just to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized works. I know for others, they use a leave-in conditioner, a cream, and then an oil. And also for some people, they use a leave-in, an oil, a cream, and an oil again. So whatever works for you, you can play with it just to see what helps retain that moisture. And here is what the back of my hair looks like. So I finished most of my hair. I did decide to do the twist a little bit bigger just because I really like that look. And now I'm going to finish the rest of my hair. I have about, I'm trying to make it even. I probably will just do the retwist here. So all I'm doing is making a nice clean part. Yeah, I'll just do 3 twists. So I'm making a nice part, and then of course I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair back. I'm gonna spray my hair with the water and oil mix just to get it nice and damp. I feel like when you work on damp hair, it's just easier because when you work on dry hair, the styles don't really last as long, and then also your hair can mold to whatever style you're trying to do a lot better. So I like to have my hair nice and damp when I'm doing my styles. So I'm applying my neem oil. This is really good. I really like the way that the neem oil works in my hair just because it helps to keep my hair nice and moisturized and prevent it from getting dry. And then I'm gonna go in again with this Design Essential Defining Cream Gel. So it's almond and avocado defining cream gel, and I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but I do like it just because it's not like a soft cream. It does have some hold, and you guys know I love my definition. I love volume, but I really like definition more. I like when my curls are really defined. So after I put all 3 in my hair, just make sure I comb it through. And I really want my hair to be nice and smooth. That is the key to any style, really. You want your hair to be nice and smooth, tangle free. Divide my hair into 2. They don't have to be perfect, but pretty even. And then just start wrapping it around each other. And then midway of the twist, I just take the comb and just comb it again. Again, I want my hair to be nice and smooth. That's how my styles, they look really nice, and they just last because my hair is smooth and it doesn't get frizzy or bushy, and that's what I like. And then just twirl the ends. This just helps encourage the curl to curl a lot more because I don't use perm rods at the ends. But if you are transitioning or your ends aren't curling and you don't want to cut those ends off, you just keep twirling. Or you can use a perm rod, like a really, really, really small one. I think they're yellow or blue. They may be gray. They're like really, really small. I finished my hair. I really like the bigger twist just because it has a different look, and also I am not really doing this as a style. This was midweek. I did wear my hair for about 4 days, and it's not quite time to wash my hair yet, but I wanted to have my hair look presentable. I mean, of course, the way it was looking, I did not like that, but I like my hair like this. I know that there is still some white residue, but it will definitely dry clear, and this oil has helped my hair to grow. Many of you have noticed that my hair is growing. I mean, my hair does grow pretty quickly, and I just do a lot of techniques, use a lot of different oils for my hair to grow. I am striving for my hair to get about waist length, so hopefully by May, my birthday month, my hair will be waist length. I know if I keep going the way I am going and I don't cut my hair will definitely be around that length. Now I am going to prepare to go to sleep. I'm going to put my bonnet on. All of my hair is in my bonnet, and what I really like is this black band. Smooths my edges out. I know my edges are thinner on the side, but before, when they weren't and I didn't experience the postpartum hair shedding, my hair really looked good, especially around here. It just smooths the edges back. I will film tomorrow just so you could see how my hair looks, and it'll look really good. I already know this is one of my go-to styles. I love doing the 2-strand twist, and I'll see you tomorrow. And here's how my hair looks in the morning. It is so moisturized. This clip is from the day in the life of me, and I'm here with Zanai, and I just love the way my hair looks and how healthy it is. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.